Welcome to all of you. In this video, I am going to design the back end of my first mobile application. In the previous video, I already designed the front end of my first mobile application. My objective was to create a mobile application. In that mobile application, I needed a button. If any user touched that button, my mobile app should speak something. So that was my objective, and I already created a button here, and I already inserted the message. So any user, if click on the speak button, my mobile application will give the message. The message is mobile app development for kids. So I already mentioned the front end of the mobile app. Now here's need to do the coding for this mobile application. Because I am using MIT App Inventor, there is no need to do the text based coding. So in MIT App Inventor, instead of the text based coding, we use the visual programming method. We will use the blocks method, but I needed a logic here. So what will be the my logic? My logic is that when any user will click on this button, it should, my mobile app should speak something. For that, I needed one function in my app. The function is text to speech. So I have to insert text to speech function in my mobile app. So for text to speech, to insert the text to speech function, you have to click on media. After the media, you have to select text to speech module from here, because this is the code, this is the inbuilt code in the MIT App Inventor. This module is inbuilt. So if I want to use this text to speech module, you are having text and you want to speak that text, your app needed to speak that text. For that, you are having one module in MIT App Inventor. The module name is text to speech. So drag this module in your app, and when you will drag in your app, it will not be visible to you, but in the components part you can see this text to speech. So in my mobile application, I have already included text to speech module. Now what will be my logic? The logic is that when I will click on this button, it should call text to speech module, and text to speech module will speak this text. The text is mobile app development for kid. So let's do the coding for it. For coding, we have to switch to the blocks mode, because in the MIT App Inventor, coding will be done by using the blocks. So click on the blocks. So this is the area where I will do the coding, where I will do the programming. So it is the very nice software where is no need for the text coding, but you have to design your logic. So it will upgrade your logical power. So first of all, I want that when I will click on this button, it should call the text to speech module. So this is my logic when I will click on the button. So drag this block here. So the coding for this has been done now. When I click on this button, now it should call text to speech. So take the text to speech from here. For that, I have to pick text to speech message. So it should speak a message. So I will pick this module from here and put this module here. Now I am having the logic, when I will click on the button, it will call this module speak message. And what is the message? Message is given in our label. So I will drag this label, and in the label I will take the message, means which message I am having. So put one module from here, and from here I am taking this label text. Now I have created the backend of my mobile app. Now this is the code, this is the function of my app. When I click on the button, it will call the speak message block, and speak message block will speak this text. So this is the coding. Now I have created, I have designed the front end and I have done the coding for the back end, and the coding was done by using the blocks. Now one more thing, when you will see this app, you can observe that the message is given here. If you don't needed the message on the screen, you can make this message as invisible. So I will select this message and uncheck the visible. Now this is my complete app. Now here's the need to execute this app. In the next video we shall see that how we can execute my Android mobile app in the MIT App Inventor software. So in this video we have discussed that how we can do the backend coding of one mobile app. So we have designed the backend code of our first mobile application. So thank you students, thank you very much. In the next video we shall see that how we can execute our first mobile app. Thank you very much.